Before we start off with this video, I'm gonna play a song for you guys, and this song I really love, and I know some of my fans love it too. So, play the music, guys. Hi guys, it's JJ Tools here. Welcome back to another video. I am so excited here because, as you know, the title of this video is called Watch Dogs 2, and I have been telling you guys I've been uploading it for a very long time. I haven't even uploaded for a long time. It's finally here, guys. Don't worry, I do not stop starting Watch Dogs 2. I'll be explaining it throughout the video. And yeah, I just want to say thank you for all your support, and I hope I see you in the next video. Peace.
I be overseas catching Z's in the tropics. This bad little mommy says she wanna taste some chocolate. Pull up on the scene, roof scene, and I drop it. My car and my girl both match, they going toe.
Hi guys, it's JJ Tools here, and welcome back to another video. And as I said at the beginning of the video, we have a new game, and it is Watch Dogs 2. Yes baby, Watch Dogs 2. I am so gassed that I have it. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have it. And I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me throughout my videos, and I know I'm at 66 subscribers. I want to get at least 100 subscribers. Next, my New Year's resolution would be 100 subscribers. And guys, I just want to say that Watch Dogs 2 is a very good game. You should get it, guys. It's very enjoyable. I really like it so far. I tried recording with my face cam, but it didn't work so well, so I'm just going to be recording commentary over that. So yeah, I'll leave you guys to it to watch the video. Peace.
I be overseas catching Z's in the tropics. This bad little mommy says she wanna taste some chocolate. Pull up on the scene, roof scene, and I drop it. My car and my girl both match, they going toe.
Consider this your 10-second initiation, Retro. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to bypass Bloom security doors and get inside. Then find and erase your personal CTOS profile.
Whatever they have on me, it's all bullshit, and I'm sick of getting harassed for it.
All the more reason for a purge. We'll be watching.
Try to keep up.
By the way, we put this playlist together to set the mood. Hope you like it.
Okay guys, we know a bit about him. His name's Retro. He wants to join DedSec, and already we've seen some parkour skills, and I'm telling you guys, I'll be doing lots of different things on this game. This is basically like GTA, but it's even better. I'll be doing some montages, I'll be doing some parkour videos, and don't worry, I'll be doing the co-op missions. Co-op missions are so good. Oh my god, I've seen an early access of people doing it. Oh my god, before the game came out, I saw it. Oh, I just took that guy down. Anyway, I'm doing some co-op missions with ASLR. Most of you guys know him. His YouTube channel now is called Sweaty Kid Plays, and yeah, he's doing Watch Dogs. He copied me, by the way. I'm joking. Yeah, but I had the idea first, obviously. So we'll be playing together. He'll be recording. He'll be recording more co-op missions than me. But don't worry, guys. I'll still be recording co-op missions. So I just wanted you guys to know.
I'ma take you for dinner. Fly you to someone that's cold in the winter. I love how you look with that booty, girl, please don't get it.
Okay guys, so we have to try and enter the CTOS building, and as you guys heard before, we have to, oh wait, shoot, take down. Yep. So anyway, we have to enter the CTOS building to wipe our data, and as you can see here, I was just getting familiar with the controls, because even though it's like GTA, the controls are really weird. Because usually if you'd want to shoot on GTA, aim and shoot, it'll be L2 and R2. I think I got that right, hopefully. But this one, I think shooting is, I can't remember, but I'll tell you after this, guys. Yeah, so the controls are really weird, but I get used to it. So like for hacking the doors and hacking anything else, it will be L1, sorry. And this is me just being puzzled about where to go. Yeah, I'm such a fool, guys. I'm sorry. And I finally found it.
You're wasting your time. He's not in.
Gotcha.
So that's him.
He's got a gun. Is that a problem?
Well, problems are why you keep me around, right?
Time him. I'm curious.
Too late. He's in.
Already?
No synonyms either. Give me a real answer.
I'm just not that into aliens or video games.
It's not just any alien. It's
Oh, come on. Anyone else having a problem with their phone? Ooh, what? Oh, God. Oh, God.
The DedSec members just have no faith in me. Wow.
Who is he?
It's Retro.
Yeah,
The home
it's
domain
retro.
awareness hacker? That Retro?
Yes. We told you that already?
Yeah, I never listened.
Okay, so we're planning to wipe our server. I mean, sorry, what am I talking about? We're planning to wipe our profile, and this is where I get a bit puzzled because I know what to do now, but when I was doing it, I was like, what the hell am I supposed to do? And I was just searching everywhere to find it, but soon, luckily, I found it. But it takes a really long time, so I might just skip this part for you guys. Yes, guys, we are finally in. Okay, so we found the access key. All we need to do now is get into the building. And yeah, you can see me just doing random stuff. I just don't know what I'm doing. I was just getting familiar with the controls. Anyway, this Watch Dogs 2 is a game that I'll be playing on a regular basis because
So what's his deal?
He was raised in
Since-
Oakland but was born in...
hold on, guys.
His deal is, he's been hanging around the DedSec IRC, and he's got cred. Figured we'd give him a test drive.
on the hardest difficulty. Nobody's been able to delete their CTOS profile before.
I want to see if he's smart, stubborn, or both.
Okay, like I was saying, guys, Watch Dogs 2, I've been waiting for a very long time. You guys know it already, probably since summer holiday, or yeah, I think I talked about it summer holiday, and I said that I want to get Watch Dogs 2 so badly, and that's a game I would be playing on a regular basis. But I'll be playing some other games, probably like FIFA. I'll be getting FIFA very soon, guys. You're gonna see my talenting skills. I'm joking, I'm not that good on FIFA, but I'll be improving very soon. So yeah, I'll be playing Watch Dogs. Well, what was I doing? Yeah, that was a very stupid mistake I did, but it had to be done. Anyway, I'll be playing Watch Dogs 2 on a regular basis, like I've been saying for the 5th time. I don't know why I keep saying it. Because to me, I just feel like it's a very, very good game. Because it's like it resembles GTA, but it has more, what can I say, more functions, if you understand what I mean, than GTA. Yeah, so me and Sweaty Kid Plays will be playing a lot on Watch Dogs 2 and probably Axel.
CTOS tagged him as the prime suspect in a
Hold on,
high-tech
guys.
burglary. So,
He's done time.
community service. Not enough evidence. Just the word of CTOS's predictive algorithms. Once in the system,
Always in the system.
Like I was saying, me and Sweaty Kid Plays will be playing together on Watch Dogs 2. You'll be seeing him a
holy
lot.
shit! He went for it.
You won't have much time before the backups kick in.
And sorry, I just want to pause so you can hear what they're saying. And Axe the Gamer HD, as you guys probably know, Axel, yes, I don't think he'll be recording because I think it's quit YouTube probably. I'm not sure, but you'll be seeing him playing Watch Dogs with me very soon. He's gonna get the game, but it may take him some time. But whilst we're waiting for Axel, we have Sweaty Kid Plays. So yep, you'll be seeing him a lot. Me and him will be playing co-op missions. Yeah, that's it.
He's going in the hot aisle.
It's at least
Give the man
You'll be
props.
hearing my voice.
He's
That's
going
when
to
I was
aisle.
recording, when I was playing. So yeah. Well guys, we're in the hot zone apparently. This guy is savage.
he's in the system.
Nobody's gotten that far. This
Okay.
is like the secret cow level.
Now, what are we supposed to do now? Oh, well that was easy, wasn't it? Let's go. And time for some more. What? Oh, you got to be kidding me, man. Wait. Found you. Wait, what? What's going on? Oh, okay, I get it. There you go. Done. Wait, what? Hold on. There you go. Done, guys.
The fuck? Why's my threat so high?
My camera died, so it's just gonna have to listen to my voice. Sorry. Warning.
This is bullshit.
This guy is even questioning why he has a lot of criminal records.
Fuck. Or I could just
Delete records. Yep, you're right. Wow. He's making all the way to 0. This guy is savage. Oh, make a new profile. That's calm. What's this one? Yeah, let's just leave it at that.
just gonna drop a little backdoor into the system so I can get back inside later. Sorry, Bloom. We've got unfinished business.
He's heading out. Bag him.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we gonna do now? Oh, okay, hacking. We're into hacking. Trigger. Okay, function X. Create proximate. Okay, shut down. Okay, I'm not gonna remember any of this, but I'm just reading it for you guys. Oh, okay. Square. Come closer. Come on, get a little closer.
What was that? What was that?
Yes, get in, get in. Oh, that was so sick. You can't find me. Oh, why was I near it? I'm such an idiot. Are we going up or down? Guess it's down. Yeah, it's down. Yes, it does.
There's something over there. I need you.
Yes, hit him. Yes. Uh-oh. Better get down. Get down. Okay. Is it down? Yep, it's down. I'm off, guys. See you later. Heading to the exit now. Boom, we've done it, guys.
Hold it right there.
Oh, what's he gonna do?
Help him.
Where the fuck am I go?
Josh! Okay.
Oh! This guy is savage.
Fuck you, Bloom.
Yeah. And then we just get taken by... I forgot their team.
In 2013, Chicago realized
guys,
the promise of smart cities with CTOS, a citywide operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid.
Okay.
Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States, ushering in the Internet of Things. 6.4 billion connected devices now serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles, and home security systems give corporations a window into your private life. Control of your vehicle and mobile device can now be breached remotely by anyone at any time. You may think that you are immune or underestimate the risk, but your digital shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use algorithms to monitor your life habits and limit or deny coverage. Health providers determine if your cancer is worth treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers, activists, and hackers have drawn their battle lines, putting the establishment on watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense?
Freedom's last line of defense.
Oh, that last bit.
So, am I in?
Welcome to DedSec.
Well, we've made it into DedSec. What's next?
Tara. This sweetheart is Josh, AKA Hot Sauce.
No, you're the sweetheart.
You're
Sweetheart.
Hot Sauce? Yeah, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
Hello.
And this Casanova is Horatio.
What's up, brother?
What's up, my nigger? Okay, maybe I shouldn't say that, but...
It's the crew, huh?
No, it's your family.
Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit.
Stupid idiot.
You saw Bloom's bullshit. CTOS isn't just regulating infrastructure. The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. Hey, man. You got the time?
Oh, yeah, man.
I got it.
It's kind of late for a night run, isn't it? Hey, what are you running from the cops?
Maybe I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
All I'm saying now is that man's gonna be trouble, guys, very soon.
Good party.
And ignore my voice before. Yeah.
King, this motherfucker.
Well, I'm drunk.
Fuck you, Bloom. I'm gonna go have a goddamn good time.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I know that was quite a long video, and yeah, you must have been very excited about the new Watch Dogs 2 video. I'm so excited as well. Don't worry, guys, I'll be recording different missions and court missions, and I was thinking about uploading videos like first mission, second mission, third mission, but it's gonna take quite a while, and I've already missed its like release date video thing. Yeah, anyway, I'll be recording different missions. I won't do it in order, but it'll be alright. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
She shaking that booty, she act like she losing the game for your boy. Can't believe how she throw it alright. Oh.